Good day, sir. My name is Kimpi Villamor, reporting the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigate and Lighthouse Authorities Maritime Buoyage System. So, what is International Association of Marine Aids to Navigate? Unsa ka ni siya nga kuan? Like, unsa atong pamagi or unsa kay purpose ani? So, diri na ko i-report. International Association of Maritime Aids to Navigation, the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigate of Lighthouse Authorities, is an organization that aims to improve the safety navigation at sea. It works on standard aids to navigation, such as buoys, lighthouse, and other signals worldwide, ensuring the mariners can rely on a consistent system to safely navigate waters. One of the key components of International Association of Marine Aids to Navigate is buoyage system, which is a system of marks and signals designed to guide vessel safety through waterways. The next one is a buoyage system. So what is a buoyage system? Buoyage system is a method of marking the navigation channels, harbors, and other important water areas using a system of buoys, beacons, and lights. It helps mariners understand the direction of safe passage, avoid hazard, and determine their position in the water. The system uses series of different types of marks, including lateral marks, cardinal marks, special marks, sea water marks. These four types of marks I'm going to report this video. Lateral marks. These marks indicate the side of the channel. They can be on the left or right, depending on the direction of travel. In the LD system, lateral marks are typically identified by colors and shape. Example, red for side and green for the starboard side when entering from the sea. The second one is the cardinal marks. These marks are used to indicate the direction of safe water relative to the cardinal points northeast, south, west. They help vessels navigate around obstacles of hazard. Number 3 is special marks. These marks indicate areas that require special attention, such as no entry zone or hazard that don't fall into regular categories or lateral or cardinal marks. Number 4, the last one is safe water marks. These marks indicate that a safe channel or route lines ahead. They are usually placed in the middle of the channel or at the entrance to a harbor. And that's all. Thank you. My name is Kimby Villamor, reporting the NAV 223.